Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, let's take a look at the all-new Maruti Suzuki WagonR. From the front, it's still got that tall boy charm we all know, but now it looks sharper and a bit more modern. You get a bold chrome-lined grille with that signature Suzuki badge, and the headlights, they're big, dual-chamber units that blend well with the face. Fog lamps are neatly tucked in, giving it a slightly premium touch. Moving to the side, you'll notice the height. That's one of the biggest plus points of this car. It's tall, which means easy ingress and more space inside. The ORVMs are body-colored and even come with integrated indicators in the higher variants. And at the back, it's clean and simple. The tail lamps are vertically stacked and have that familiar WagonR identity. You even get a sporty roof spoiler in the top trims. Overall, the WagonR sticks to its practical roots, but with just enough flair to look modern on Indian roads. Now, stepping inside the WagonR, this is where things start to make sense, especially if you're looking for space, comfort, and value. First off, the cabin is roomy. Like seriously, for a compact hatchback, the headroom is unmatched. And that's thanks to its tall boy design. The dashboard layout is simple and straightforward. You get this dual-tone finish that gives the cabin a bit of a light and airy feel. The steering wheel is nice to hold and gets mounted controls in higher variants. And right in the center, you'll find a 7-inch touchscreen. That's the SmartPlay Studio system. It supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so all your music, maps, and calls are sorted. The seat comfort? Pretty good for city rides. The fabric feels decent, and there's enough support for short to medium drives. Rear seat space is another win here. You can actually fit 2 adults comfortably, and maybe even squeeze in a third. Leg room and headroom are generous for this segment. Plus, there are features like rear power windows, 12-volt charging socket, and cup holders. It's not fancy, but it covers all the essentials. And check this, you get 341 liters of boot space, which is quite practical if you're running errands or doing weekend trips. In terms of visibility, it's excellent. The upright driving position gives you a great view of the road, and the large windows help reduce blind spots. Overall, the WagonR's interior is all about function. It's built for families, city commuters, and anyone who wants space and simplicity over style. Not flashy, but smart, practical, and super user-friendly. The WagonR gives you 2 engine choices, a 1.0 and a more powerful 1.2, the K-Series Petrol. Both are super refined and tuned for city driving. The 1.2 especially gives you that extra punch for highways, and you get the option of both manual and AMT automatic, which is super convenient in traffic. Now, wrapping it all up, the WagonR may not be a flashy car, but it's practical, super spacious, fuel efficient, and built with Indian families in mind.